Irène Joliot-Curie was born on September 12, 1897 in Paris, France, into a family of renowned scientists. She was the daughter of Marie and Pierre Curie, both of whom were scientists. Her mother, Marie Curie, was a pioneering physicist and chemist, famous for her work on radioactivity. Her father, Pierre Curie, was a notable physicist as well, notable for his discovery of piezoelectricity. Growing up in a scientific household, Irène was immersed in an environment of intellectual curiosity and scientific rigor. Irène was educated in a cooperative school founded by her mother and other eminent scientists, which provided her with an exceptional early education. She later attended the Faculty of Science at the Sorbonne, where she pursued studies in mathematics and physics. During World War I, Irène assisted her mother in the development and operation of mobile radiography units, which were used to provide X-rays to wounded soldiers at the front. This experience not only honed her scientific skills but also demonstrated her commitment to applying science for humanitarian purposes. After the war, Irène worked as her mother's assistant at the Radium Institute in Paris. She conducted research on the alpha decay of polonium and continued her studies on the structure of atoms. In 1926, Irène married Frédéric Joliot, a fellow scientist. In 1934, Irène Joliot-Curie and her husband, Frédéric Joliot-Curie, discovered artificial radioactivity. They found that by bombarding stable elements with alpha particles, they could transform them into radioactive isotopes. This discovery was groundbreaking because it showed that elements could be made radioactive artificially, rather than relying solely on naturally occurring radioactive elements. For their discovery of artificial radioactivity, Irène and Frédéric Joliot-Curie were awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1935. This achievement extended the legacy of her parents, who were also Nobel laureates. Joliot-Curie also conducted important research on nuclear reactions, including the synthesis of new elements. Her work laid the groundwork for future research in nuclear physics and chemistry, including the development of nuclear energy. Irène's work laid the foundation for numerous advances in nuclear physics and chemistry. Her discovery of artificial radioactivity has had profound implications in medicine, industry, and scientific research. Irène also held several important academic and research positions. She became a professor at the University of Paris and later served as the director of the Radium Institute, continuing her mother's legacy. As a pioneering woman in science, Irène Joliot-Curie remains an inspirational figure, encouraging future generations of scientists, particularly women, to pursue careers in STEM fields. Irène Joliot-Curie was born on September 12,